So in the accessory bag that was supplied, there's an Allen wrench. This is how you remove your vacuum motor. And just be careful where you have these. You do not want to lose one of these. Now when you have those three safe and secure, you're going to remove the plate. That gives you access to your vacuum motor. You will need to disconnect the Anderson connector before you remove your vacuum motor. And underneath here, you have areas for the second Allen wrench or wrench that was provided with your accessory kit. So you're gonna have 1 area, 2 area, and 3 area. Okay, with the 3 removed, you'll notice how the vac motor doesn't fall out, but it's easy to remove. So with your new vac motor, make sure you've got a gasket on it. If you do not have a gasket on it, do not install your new vac motor. Contact us immediately. Make sure the port here goes into the exhaust and seats. Then you're going to slide it back into place, line it up with your holes, and reinstall each of the 3 screws with the supplied Allen wrench. Now, as you're tightening these, it's important to remember there should be little to no force screwing these back in. If you feel a resistance, you could be cross-threading it, which is not going to be good. So you should back it out and start over again, and these should all be nice and easy to turn with little to no effort. And when you're done with that, reconnect the connectors, tuck that in, and then you're going to reinstall your plate. Need to do 1. It's good that happened. Just be aware of your work surroundings. So you're going to do 2, and then you'll do the final one here as 3.